Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into MERCARI app review to help you decide if this app actually worth it. So to get started, MERCARI is a popular marketplace that allows users to buy and sell new or used items from clothing to electronics or from their mobile devices. It's simple to use with an easy listing process and listing fee for most items. MERCARI also offers buyers and sellers protection, which adds a layer of security to transactions. Strength includes its wide range of categories, ease of use, and built-in shipping option with a simplify the process for sellers. There's also the benefit of a large user base, which increases the chance of your item selling. The app buyers protection and seller protection policies help create a safer transaction environment. However, there are some weaknesses. MERCARI charge a 10% selling fee on most items, which can add up, and payment process takes a few days. Additionally, sellers are responsible for shipping costs unless you offer free shipping, which can be a downside for a lower price item.